In nature, power is not always loud. It does not always roar. It does not always chase. And it does not always come in the form of something large or visible. There exists another kind of power in the natural world, a quieter one, a smaller one, and yet one of the most efficient forces ever evolved. That power is venom. Venom is not simply a harmful liquid. It is not random toxicity. It is a highly specialized biological system, a product of millions of years of evolution, shaped by survival pressure, competition, and the need for efficiency. At its core, venom is a chemical language, a way for one organism to communicate with another at the level of biology itself. But this communication is not peaceful. It is invasive. It disrupts. It breaks down internal systems from within. Venom is made of complex molecules, proteins that target nerve cells, enzymes that break down tissue, neurotoxins that interrupt electrical signals in the body. Each component is not accidental. Each one is precisely evolved for a function.
To paralyze, to immobilize, to incapacitate, and in some cases, to kill. But what separates venom from ordinary toxins is delivery. Venom is injected, delivered directly into the body through specialized structures: fangs, stingers, tentacles, spines, each one acting like a biological syringe. And once inside, there is no barrier left, no skin protection, no external defense, only internal systems under attack. Yet the most important factor in venom evolution is not just strength, it is speed. Because in the natural world, time is everything. A delay of seconds can mean escape. A delay of seconds can mean survival. So venom does not just evolve to be strong, it evolves to be fast. Sometimes unimaginably fast. Tonight, we explore the world of the fastest-acting venoms on Earth. Not the largest predators, not the most aggressive hunters, but the most efficient biological systems designed to end function in the shortest possible time. We begin in the ocean, a vast, ancient, and unpredictable environment that covers most of our planet. Beneath its calm surface lies a creature so delicate in appearance that it seems almost unreal, almost invisible, almost non-existent. Yet it carries one of the most dangerous venom systems known to science, the box jellyfish. At first glance, it appears harmless, a floating, transparent shape drifting with ocean currents. Its body is simple: no bones, no brain, no centralized nervous system like higher animals. Yet simplicity in structure does not mean simplicity in danger. Along its tentacles lie thousands of microscopic structures called nematocysts. Each nematocyst is a microscopic biological weapon, a capsule under extreme pressure. Inside it is a tightly coiled thread filled with venom. When triggered by touch, pressure, or chemical signals, this system activates instantly. In less than a fraction of a second, the capsule fires. The thread penetrates skin, and venom is injected directly into tissue, before the brain can even register contact. But what makes box jellyfish venom so extraordinary is not just its delivery system, it is its multi-target effect. The venom does not focus on one system alone. It simultaneously affects nerves, muscles, and the cardiovascular system. The nervous system begins to malfunction. Pain signals become overwhelming or chaotic. Muscle control becomes unstable, and the heart can begin to lose its rhythm. All of this can unfold extremely rapidly, depending on species and exposure. But perhaps the most frightening aspect is invisibility. In open water, there is often no warning, no sound,
no movement that signals danger. Contact may happen accidentally, silently, and instantly. And by the time the body reacts, the process is already underway. Yet the ocean is only the beginning of this story. We move now to land, to dry landscapes, forests, and hidden environments where evolution has created equally efficient venom systems in very different forms. Here we encounter one of the most infamous snakes on Earth, the inland taipan. This snake lives in remote, arid regions. It avoids human contact. It is not naturally aggressive, but biologically, it possesses one of the most refined venom systems among reptiles. Its venom is a complex biochemical mixture. Neurotoxins interfere with nerve communication. Hemotoxins disrupt blood function and clotting mechanisms. Enzymes begin breaking down tissue structure from within.
Unlike many predators that rely on a single dominant mechanism, the inland taipan's venom attacks multiple systems at once. This multi-layered approach creates rapid systemic failure in prey animals, not through one catastrophic event, but through overlapping biological breakdowns. Yet again, this venom did not evolve for humans. It evolved for small prey, fast-moving animals that require immediate immobilization. Because in the wild, hesitation means escape, and escape means survival for the prey. But venom evolution is not limited to large reptiles or marine organisms. In tropical ecosystems, evolution has produced something far smaller, but equally fascinating: the poison dart frog. These frogs are small enough to sit on a human fingertip, yet their skin contains alkaloid toxins that can be extremely potent. In some species, these toxins are among the most powerful naturally occurring compounds in the animal kingdom. Unlike snakes or jellyfish, poison dart frogs do not inject venom. Their toxins are absorbed through contact, entering the body through skin or mucous membranes. Once inside, they interfere with nerve signaling. They disrupt the electrical communication between nerve and muscle cells. This leads to loss of control over movement and vital functions. And again, the danger lies not only in potency, but in biological efficiency. Interestingly, these frogs do not always produce their toxins internally. Instead, they obtain them from their environment, from the insects they consume, from ants and small arthropods that contain specific chemical precursors. Without this diet, many poison dart frogs lose their toxicity entirely. This reveals a deeper truth about venom in nature. Venom is not just inherited, it is constructed from environment, diet, and evolutionary necessity. It is chemistry shaped by survival. As we continue exploring, a pattern begins to emerge more clearly. The most dangerous venoms are not always the strongest in concentration. They are the fastest in action. Because speed determines outcome before resistance can form. In nature, there is no waiting period.
No second chance. No pause for understanding. A predator either succeeds immediately or fails entirely. And venom is often the deciding factor in that instant. Across oceans, deserts, and rainforests, evolution has repeatedly solved the same problem in different ways: how to stop a living system as quickly as possible. The box jellyfish solves it through thousands of microscopic injections. The inland taipan solves it through multi-system biochemical attack. The poison dart frog solves it through environmental chemical accumulation. Different strategies, same result: extreme biological efficiency. And when we zoom out and look at the entire system, something becomes clear. Venom is not cruelty. It is not malice. It is survival. A tool forged not by intention, but by necessity. Because in the natural world, every advantage is earned through pressure. Every adaptation is shaped by competition. And every drop of venom carries a history of millions of years of survival decisions.
So when we think about the fastest acting poisons in nature, we are not just looking at danger. We are looking at biology pushed to its absolute limits.
A reminder that life does not only evolve to endure, it evolves to act faster than death can respond. And in that silent race between chemistry and time, the smallest creatures often hold the greatest power of all.